To make this grid of constantly reducing circles, we have some slightly different challenges. Now we could make the regular grid and then start resizing each of these, but let's look at a very efficient way to do this using something called transform each. So what I'm going to do, go to my blank document, start just like with the regular grid of circles, holding down Shift to create a circle instead of an ellipse. Switch to my regular selection tool, drag over, hold down Option or Alt and Shift to make a copy as I drag. I'll let go, hit Command D for transform again, do it again, do it again. Now I've got my row of circles. Now how do I reduce all of these while keeping the spacing the same as the originals? Just like you see here, all these are aligned straight on top of each other. We could make each of these and align them to each other, but let's do it all at once. So let's highlight the row of circles, we'll go up to Object, and instead of transform again, we're going to do something called transform each. So it'll take each item and transform it. Now we can scale each one of these. Let's say we want to do 80% in each direction. I'm going to check this preview to see that they have reduced in size. But I also want to move these as I'm doing it. I could do this later, I could move them separately, but why not just do it at the same time I'm doing this. I can see the original box, so I can tell when I'm going to get outside of the original box. And I want to make a copy and not just scale these and move it, so I'm going to hit Copy. You can see I've got my next set of circles. They're not touching yet, but we'll take care of that later. I'm going to do the same combination of transformations. Even though there is both translation and scaling, I can hit Command D or Control D, do it again, do it again, do it again. Now I've got all of my circles. I just need to get them sitting on top of each other. As I move them, I'm going to hold down Shift so that I constrain the movement direction until it says they're intersecting. Drag over all the next ones, move them down, holding Shift, grab all of them, move them down, holding Shift till they intersect. Do it one last time for this last row, and now we've got this stack of reducing circles, all aligned along their centers,